Welcome back. We finally made it back to Vegas. So it's time for another $100 slot video. Let's see if we can win.
We're playing Buffaloes. They put in 100. Do you have any final thoughts for the folks?
We need to do a different machine and try again.
Yeah. You're broke. You don't got those YouTube dollars, babe. You haven't been putting out that much videos.
I want to play that game right there.
You want to do what?
I would like to play this game. It's new.
Okay, babe, say goodbye to the folks.
Okay, goodbye. But we're going to make another one of